Cece.
Yes.
Hello.
So, don't mind my stick hands. I was playing with
She was already playing with the slime, even though we're about to make a slime video.
Yeah, I know. Don't judge me. But anyway, so today we are going to make a teaching my aunt how to make slime part 4, right?
I thought it was 3.
No, it's 4. It's 4.
We've done 3 videos already of slime?
Yeah.
No, we only did 2.
No.
I think we only did 2.
No, we did 2. Actually 3 because we did the first time with one of those, and we did another one.
Yeah.
And then we did another one with the little cuppy things.
I thought that was the second one.
No, that was the third one.
Well, regardless, I'm getting better every time, right?
Sure.
Psych!
Okay, so today do we get to pick out like our colors and stuff?
Yes. We have
I
2.
have to roll on my sleeves, right?
Yeah, and then I have to try and get this.
Okay. Wait, do you even have water for us? Okay, girl. I see you, girl. Is that going to be enough for both of us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we don't pour it in this time. We mix it with the activator.
Right. I knew that.
I'm having a little bit of a difficulty.
Oh my God.
Okay, we'll be right back.
All right, we are back. She washed her hands.
Yes. Okay, so.
I'm so excited. I got the green bowl because it's my favorite color.
Yes. So the first step we need to do is
not spill it all over the place.
that, and we need to take our activator and then just take a little bit and then take our hot cup of water. You can use whatever type of water, but it can like hot water, it works the best.
Okay.
I would know because whenever I make slime, whenever like I would use cold water, like it just turned out sticky.
Got it. Noted.
Nobody wants sticky slime, especially her, because look at them nails.
These clothes. I almost didn't film this with her because I was like, honey, these are fresh if you get slime on them. But she was like, it's okay, it'll wash off. So we shall see. If you never see me make another slime video again with her again, you know why. It's because she ruined my nails.
Yeah, which are also by
Pretty nails by.
No, it's Cozy Claudia.
I know, but I'm going by her IG.
Oh yeah, it's Pretty Nails by Claudia.
How does she know more? Okay, so. Alright.
Yeah.
Now what?
So we're gonna have that dissolve.
Okay.
Just mix it.
Okay.
No. So now we can decide which type of slime we want to use.
What do you mean? Like which glue?
Yeah.
Okay, I want. Well, which one are you gonna choose?
I don't know.
Well, let's show them the options, because I don't think those are in the frame.
So we have glow in the dark.
Who got you all these glues?
She did. So we have glow in the dark glue.
Okay, here we'll put it back here as we make our decision.
So then I have metallic glue. It is pink. Then I have metallic glue, which is blue. It's really pretty, actually.
You used this one already?
No.
Oh, okay.
Then we have glow in the dark glue, which is glitter.
Okay.
Glow in the dark glue, which is pink and glittery.
And then we have
goat. Glitter glue. I might use that one.
Superstar. Okay.
I might use that one.
All right.
Which one do you
I like this one, and I like the glow in the dark blue, and I like the metallic blue. But I also like, I don't know, girl, I like all of them. I don't know. Okay, you choose one. Choose yours.
I don't really care. You choose first.
What do you mean you don't care? You don't care about this video?
Bruh, look at this dude.
No?
I do. Oh my god.
All right, choose one. Which one do you want?
I don't care. Like, I don't care which one I get. Just
Bruh.
choose one. I'm just gonna. Of course.
Glitter.
get.
The glow in the dark blue.
No, I don't know. I'll just get the metallic because it looks cool. No, what? I don't know which one to get. This one.
Alright.
Alright.
Let me move these to the
And then
side.
we also have some slime balls.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm picking the gold glitter.
I picked the metallic glue.
Okay.
Alright.
So what's the first step?
Pour the glue in.
Okay. How much do we? I'm just gonna put as much as you put.
I'm putting the one.
Painted black and white on the dark sky. So we roll along, feeling how we lose control in my heart.
Oh, my sweater. It's because this is like cutting. Oh, there you go. It was like hurting my fingers.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of some shaving cream.
How is this on here if you already used it? She already used this, but it's sealed. Y'all see this, right? We're not crazy. Oh, hell no. I'm getting out of here.
That's some possession thing
This
right
some ghost shit.
there. I know. This is from my channel.
Oh, yeah. Shit. Whoops.
She has her own channel where she could swear on.
She says that every time I'm on her channel.
Because this channel is made for kids. I'm trying to be PG-13.
I'm PG-13 friendly.
No, you're not.
Okay. All right, now.
Alright, now I'm just...
Itch, itch, itch.
Do you want to
Nice.
add... Do you want to add shaving cream to it?
Sure.
Okay, here. So what you want to do is shake the shaving cream.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake.
How much do you
Shake
want?
it slow.
Do you want a lot in it or no?
What's this gonna do?
It's gonna make the color lighter and more fluffier.
Just a tan. Just a pinch.
And I go like,
That's it.
you said a pinch.
Give me a real pinch.
Ooh, that eye is.
What? Wait, where's this from? What, are you afraid you're gonna run out? Cut me a real piece.
Where is it from?
Stop it.
Wait, what?
It's they get pie, and he just ate like a whole turkey, and he's super full. I'm about to give it away, and then Monica wants to get.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit,
How did your mom? Did you guys hear her? She walked down the stairs, and her mom was like, "Joey."
Yeah, it's
He's
from
like, "What are you?"
Friends.
He had just finished eating like a whole turkey or a whole pizza or something. He's like, "I can't eat another thing." Then she has pie, and he's like, "Just give me a little piece." And she like cuts a little. He's like, "Bigger, bigger." And he's like, "What, are you afraid you're gonna run out? Cut me a real piece."
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Swirling on. And the shelter I take my refuge to, I remember you, I remember you.
Okay,
Wow.
so now
There's something in my eye.
we're just gonna add 2 spoons, maybe 3 if you don't. 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. And then see what it does. Ooh, it's already clumpy.
the shelter I took my refuge to. I remember.
Okay, it's doing something.
Okay, now it's starting to like. I could tell that it's starting to like.
Activate.
Yeah, sure.
Seriously. To the bowl.
Yeah, because I don't want it to get stuck to my hands.
Okay, now let me just go in with my hands. Okay, I'll just put that right there. Ooh, I could already feel like it's coming. Clumsy. I'm gonna try and just keep it like that. She touched it and she's like, oh, what did I just do?
Yeah, it's not ready.
You want me to add more borax?
Yes. Give me hope.
Maybe this time I'll actually win. Because last time, her slime actually won.
Oh, it did right with the cup ones?
Yeah. This time, mine is definitely going to win. Okay. Let me add some more to it and just start mixing. I know something that will probably help.
It starts to get slimy and then it goes back to gooey.
I know something that will help. Let me get it.
Fail. Fail, 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 fail.
I have something. I knew we would probably need it for this case. Baking soda.
That'll help me?
Yeah. Because
Please.
this is like
Oh shit.
the borax in water, but with powder.
Give me all of that.
You want your slime looking like the dance?
This is a PG-13 channel.
How am I getting slime on my shirt? Okay, you can open it.
Give it here.
This is your slime, not mine.
I hate you in the face.
Oh my god, look at mine. She looked at me like, stop cracking.
I like tasted the baking soda.
I remember when I went to the dentist and I got a cold sore and they would put baking soda on my lip and I was like,
Disgusting.
have you ever gotten a cold sore?
Mm-hmm.
Don't pour all of it! You're supposed
Oh.
to put a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, so this is how mine looks. It looks really pretty. She looked like, shut up. Look how pretty it is. There's pieces of glitter in it. Oh my god. I was about to ask, how is your slime coming through?
Actually, hold on. It's
What? I told you the baking soda was.
do I need more?
Let's try a little bit of borax.
That's gonna make it gooey again. Oh, here we go. You know, now I'm convinced she's just trying to set me up for failure.
Why would I set you up if it worked for me? Well, mine it looks beautiful.
Wait, hold on. Did I do it?
Yeah. Wait, let me feel it. Okay.
Did I do it?
Yeah.
All right. I did it.
Okay.
That was a tough journey, guys.
Now.
Didn't think I was gonna make it. It is so pretty. Oh, it's gold and sparkly.
She was like, "This is so ugly."
It was because I wanted it to like keep this like gold. You know what I'm saying?
So you added shaving cream.
Yeah, I think that's what messed it up. And my nails look good. Okay.
Yeah. My hand looks beautiful. Trying to get the extra. Your hands are clean. That's not a real slime artist.
Whatever.
I want to get it on the mat because there's Borax and water on it. Okay. Luckily, I have something that will help us get like some really good sounds. Let me get it.
Damn!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. Also, hit the red button that says subscribe so that way you can become part of the family. Also, hit the notification bell that is right next to the subscribe button so that way you don't have to miss any of my videos. And also, follow us on Instagram. Mine is Alaina Rios, hers.
CC Smiles _ We'll put it up on the screen here.
Yes. Mine will be right here.
Mine will be over here.
Yes. Anyways, so yeah, thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.